Wear full protective gear and follow label directions every time you apply professional-grade insecticides. For personal protective equipment, choose chemical-resistant gloves made of nitrile or butyl rubber, and wear long sleeves and long pants that leave no skin exposed, and add chemical-resistant boots or shoe covers to prevent splash contamination. Use eye protection, such as splash goggles and a face shield if you will be spraying overhead or in confined areas. And always wear a respirator, with cartridges rated for pesticides when label instructions require or when ventilation is poor. Fit the respirator properly and check cartridges for service life. Prefer a battery-powered backpack sprayer for larger jobs to get even coverage and reduce hand fatigue. But confirm the unit is designed for the formulation you are using and clean it thoroughly after use to avoid cross-contamination. Keep sprays directed away from open windows, vents, food preparation surfaces, and children or pet areas, and never spray on windy days or when people or animals are nearby. Store insecticides in their original containers with labels intact, locked away and out of direct sunlight, and dispose of rinsate and leftover product according to local regulations and the product label. After application, remove and launder clothing separately from household laundry, wash exposed skin immediately with soap and water, and monitor for any signs of exposure such as dizziness, rash, or respiratory irritation, and seek medical attention if symptoms occur. Common mistakes include touching chemical-exposed skin because gloves are wet or permeated. The fix is to use the correct glove material for the chemical and replace gloves immediately if they become contaminated. Another frequent issue is inadequate respiratory protection when working in poorly ventilated spaces. Solve this by using a respirator with the proper cartridges and doing a fit check before starting, or by increasing ventilation and using wet methods rather than aerosolizing products. A third problem is spraying too close to entry points, windows, or food surfaces, which risks drift and contamination. Avoid this by planning spray patterns, keeping a safe buffer zone from openings, and wiping any accidental residues with a damp cloth immediately. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors and discover reviews and project ideas related to safe pesticide use and home pest control. We also help contractors connect with homeowners and join our active discussion community where both sides can ask questions and share practical tips.